Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Sceptre monitor to PC. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content. If you want to connect Sceptre monitor to PC, then you will need to follow some steps. If you have HDMI connection on your video card, then you will need to follow these steps. Here you will see these are the back ports of the monitor. So if you want to connect with the HDMI cable, so we will need to follow these steps. Make sure the power of the C32 LED monitor is turned off. Obtain a HDMI cable and connect one end of the back of the monitor and the other end of the back of the computer. If there is a audio from the HDMI cord going to the monitor, you can send the audio signal back out via the audio output using 3.5 mm mini jack cable. Turn on the power of the both the C32 LED monitor and the computer. That's it. And if you have DVI cable, so connect the DVI cable one side into your monitor and another side into the CPU. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.